For far too long, power suppliers and distributors have bilked consumers with charges they did not deserve to be charged, such as the system loss fee tacked on bill statements for power loss during transmission and cases of pilferage. Then again, the president has spoken and ordered a stop on this unfair practice that has saddled and fleeced the Filipino consumer for the longest time. Our Gab Humilde has more.
In recent months, many have been complaining about high electricity bills despite their efforts to save energy. In his fifth State of the Nation address last week, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. addressed this grievance. The president called on Congress to immediately amend the Electric Power Industry Reform Act or EPIRA, including prohibiting the passing on of system loss and its related value-added tax to consumers.
Sa aking palagay, panahon na para tanggalin na natin ang systems loss na pinapasa sa consumer. Pinapasa ito sa consumer at kinakarga sa bill na pinapatungan pa ng value-added tax. Hindi naman kasalanan ng consumer kung bakit nagkaroon ng systems loss. Kaya hindi naman tama na kailangan sila pa ang pagbabayarin dito. We demand for the immediate amendment of the EPIRA and to prohibit charging systems loss against consumers, including the value-added tax thereon.
System loss is electricity lost in transmission from the distribution system to consumers. This includes technical losses and non-technical losses such as pilferage or electricity theft. The allowable portion of these charges is currently passed on to consumers' electric bills. On Wednesday, July 29, during the celebration of the 25th anniversary of the enactment of EPIRA, the President reiterated that high electricity rates remain a challenge, making it necessary to amend the law. According to the President, the government is working with private sector to push for proposed reforms to EPIRA, particularly the strengthening of the Energy Regulatory Commission or ERC.
During my last SONA the other day, I asked Congress to amend the EPIRA to remove the charging of system loss to consumers, including the corresponding VAT. It's only fair that Filipino families pay for what electricity they use, not for inefficiencies that really are beyond their control.
Meanwhile, the Department of Energy supports the President's call to further reduce the burden on consumers regarding electricity rates.
Yung mga pilferage na system loss, dapat hindi naman bayaran ng iba na nagbabayad. So, this is in line with the call of the President to lower the cost of electricity. Kasi ang inefficiency ng isang electric co-op o distribution utility, dapat hindi po nako-compensate ng mga taong nagbabayad ng electricity.
At the Senate hearing on Thursday, senators insisted that consumers should not be made to pay for electricity lost due to pilferage or theft, such as the use of illegal jumpers. Senators also questioned power distribution companies and energy regulators as to why certain losses and electricity distribution costs are passed on to consumers.
Bakit sila ang magbabayad? Nagninegosyo ikaw, distributor, generator. Kapalpakan ninyo, yung tao, ang consumer, ang customer nyo magbabayad. Anong klase yan? Ano ibig sabihin? Ayaw ninyo, whether you're distributor, whether you're the generator, ayaw ninyo mag-incur ng losses. Ang losses ninyo, sisingilin nyo sa taong bayan. Kung ano man yung single talaga sa kanya, yun lang kasi sasabi mo, ay maganda, may refund na ito. Hindi nga po wala nga akong refund.
Meanwhile, Meralco expressed its readiness to participate in discussions on the proposed amendments to EPIRA. However, Meralco hopes that under the reforms, the impact on the operations and capacity of distribution utilities and electric cooperatives to deliver proper, safe, and stable service will also be considered. Gab Humilde Villegas for The Nation.